In this section, I'm going to show you how you can use multi-section solid feature to remove some material from an item. So I have this box here that is padded. And what I'm going to do is to create one profile on this face and another one on the other side, and I'm going to use remove multi-section solid command. So let's select this face and go to sketching environment. What I'm going to do is to click here to, fit it in my environment, and I'm going to draw a simple rectangle like this. So exit the workbench. This is what I have created. Let me rotate a little bit. By rotating, I'm going to go to this face, the other face. So I select that and go to sketching environment, and what I'm going to do is to draw some simple rectangle like this and exit the workbench. Now let me zoom in a little bit and rotate. And what I'm going to do is to select multi-section solid command, removed multi-section solid command from sketch base feature, and then this is going to be my first sketch that is already selected, and this one is going to be my second work profile. And if I click on preview, you can see there is an error here. That's easy to fix. I can just rotate it. So I just rotated a little bit to see what the problem is, and you can see that somehow the closing points do not match. I can easily move one of the closing points to the other side. This one is on the left, but this one is on the right, so let me replace it here and then click on preview. Still I have error. That's because the arrows do not show the correct direction. So what I'm going to do is to click on this and click on preview, and now it's okay to use this feature. So if I rotate this a little bit, you can see that it has removed some part of it, and this is exactly what I wanted to do using remove multi-section solid command. So I can click on OK, and if again I have some spine, some guide, or whatever I want to use as some kind of curve feature inside my feature, I can just add it to the multi-section solid command here.